Good morning. Today the weather was like rainy in the morning, but now sun is out and we are going to explore new playa. I think that it's good to go and see new places next to Las Terrenas. We are going to Coson Beach. We just read the reviews and it's beautiful and sun is out. I'm happy because the day is nicer when sun is shining. Let's go together. Driving in Dominican Republic, some part is so crazy, it's a madness. Like, you should watch out of everything, like not just people, dogs and motorcyclists, everything. Like, no one cares, there is no rule. It's just like a video game. You are driving a video game. But some road like this is beautiful. How was the road?
I'm not sure. We just follow the car, this one. Let's see if we can find the beach. But apparently there's only one restaurant here called The Beach, which is a bit confusing because you read the sign that says The Beach, we follow it, and that's the restaurant.
We are going to explore to see that if this is the place we wanted to be or not. It's just like weird and there is no parking. There are not many people. Hopefully this place is nice. Google was telling us to come from this road and there is no sign or anything. That's just weird but fun. We have the whole beach for ourselves. There is no one here. Oh, it was a really beautiful day. Actually, it was so windy, that's why we couldn't go for diving, but it was kind of relaxing. We came to this restaurant and we had kind of a really light lunch and we would walk to the beach. I think this beach was the most beautiful beach I ever been, and actually not just beautiful, the most quiet beach I ever been. It was just like we had the whole place, it's just the whole beach for ourselves, and we could do whatever we wanted, just relax, take some photos, fly our drone. Everything was fine, and I'm glad we came here. And that's why it's good to have always car when you go around. Sometimes it's good. Driving in Dominican Republic could be crazy, but it's worth to do it. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to push the button down below and subscribe to my channel.